Hey there, everybody. Happy December the mm, 11th. Sometimes I have to count. I hope everybody is doing really, really good. I have the contents of my Etsy store is on my desk at the moment. I wanted to remind you guys that I have I have reduced the merchandise over at the Etsy store in an attempt to kind of clear things out and get started fresh at the beginning of the year. So do please go over there and take a look and see what you like, and if you have any like questions or special requests or whatever, you can always email me, and my email address is in the description box below. So let's get started. This is a 1+ pound of Christmas paper. It has fabric in it, it has embroidery floss, it just has all kinds of cool stuff in it. There is a video about this package, and it's half price. It's $17.50 instead of $25. So it's a great time to purchase one of our paper packs. They're always fun, even if you just put it away for next year. It's like, you can start a lot of people do that Christmas in July thing, and I'm like, that's just a little too early for me. But you'll have your Christmas in July things ready to go, right? If you purchase it now. These are 40-page, I call them writing journals, but you can do whatever you want to with them. Of course, it's your journal. These are collaged on the front, and they have some sewing here. They're put together like a regular kind of journal that I do, but they do feature large blank pages, and this way you can write, or you can draw, or you can some of this will take a little bit of paint. You just have to kind of experiment with it and see what your little creative heart can come up with. It's a writing journal. It could be a dream journal. It could be a 2025 planner journal. It could be all kinds of different things. These are 6x9, so a nice big chunky size. Now these were 25, now they are 20. So we've got, this one is called Collections, and this one is called Be You. I really love the collage on this one. I love to collage. It reminds me of my dear uncle who passed away way too early in life. He was only 30, and I was 20 when he passed away. So he was more like my big brother than my dad's brother. This one is gorgeous. I love it too. So you can see you've got nice big pages to work with. So maybe you are on a collage journey and you're looking for a repository, a receptacle, a book to keep all of your collage energy in, and this is a perfect thing right here. This is research, and 40 pages. You could use it as a January daily or something, a commonplace book, because they are, you got to admit, so dang pretty that you would love to just see them lying about. I think that that's another thing that I always try and remind you guys of. These are all natural, made in the U.S. decor. So, if you have like the gypsy vibe going on, or the witchy vibe going on, or the I support handmade, homemade, made in the USA artists, then this would be a sweet display for you to put around your house. I have galaxy journals, y'all. These are actually mini journals. They have 2 signatures instead of the 4, so that's why they're called mini. They contain a lot, again, of writing space, journaling space, be a great book of shadows if you're into that kind of thing. A wonderful place to put some witchy spells or tarot readings. My friend Leanne does these excellent tarot readings. And if she does a tarot reading for me, I write the whole thing down. And it's like amazing how intuitive she is. So she's always linked in the description box below. You can see that this is a galaxy journal. It has moon symbols. It has stars. It has galaxy images, universal images. It's really such an absolute gorgeous writing journal or creative journal or collage journal or whatever you want to make of it. And I think that's the thing with a journal, isn't it? It is your creation. I just made a receptacle. The rest is up to you. I've had chats with people, and some people really don't like to make their own journals. And I thought this was really interesting, that they feel inspired when they get a journal that is made by someone else, but then their creative energy mingles with the creator's image, creator's creativity and imagination and spontaneity and that kind of thing. And you just get, just this awesome symbiotic relationship. I'm so thankful and grateful that so many folks choose to purchase from my shop. Thank you, over and over again. And I'm just overwhelmed by that. I am so grateful and so thankful for you guys who support me at the Etsy store or who support me at Patreon. That's another really important outlet for me. A great way to communicate, a wonderful way to stay in touch on a more personal level, because I post things there that I wouldn't post on anywhere else, just there. I have 2 of these fabric sticker packs left. You can always look at the listing, and then usually there's a video for the listing, so you can kind of get a closer look at things like this. I have 2 of the glue book kits left. So you have vintage ephemera, as well as 2 glue books in this package. This one is called Radio Corporation of America, RCA. And this one is called Live in the Sunshine in Colorado Springs. 1, 2 journals, pack of ephemera right there. I got to make another stack. Oh, and I've got a couple new things to show to you guys too. This is, again, you can go to the listing and pull up the video. I'm not going to unpack this and show it to you. It is a dog journal, a Christmas doggy journal. I think I called it Happy Holidays or something like that. It is a Big Mama journal. I've just reduced this to $35 instead of the usual $45. These are, again, I can't unpack it, but you can go to the Etsy store and you can see this unpacked and what it looks like. I think I did $12.50 on these. You've got 3 notebooks here with 40 pages in each, and a bookmark and a little mini notebook. These are so sweet and would make excellent gifts if you're looking for something for like your small group. You could even break these things apart and you would have 3 separate gifts for someone special. All right, now I have not made a video about these, and I will. These are ephemera folders. Go to the listing and you'll see the details of each one. It's ephemera. There's some wooden items in here. There are all kinds of images This one is called Olden Days. It really does have that kind of vintage feel to it. And then there's a package of vintage findings, buttons, tiles, beads, all kinds of things that goes with that. And it folds up into a little folder like that. So, you know, really inspiring if you're looking for some quicko inspiration and something that you can leave in the folder. Or because these folders are, they're, hold on a second. They're 4.5 by 7. So they would fit in a journal, you know, if you're seeking some inspiration that way. So this one is, I think I called this one Bird and Butterfly because it does have a lot of bird and butterfly imagery in here. And then this one I finished up yesterday, which is kind of my favorite because it's all about stars and planets and moons and shiny things and pretty things and all kinds of papers. Again, a galaxy theme that we have going on here. This one, see, I stuff things too full. I stuff things too full and then I pay for it. Too bad. You've also got word prompts in here. Again, you can go to the listing and see the photographs of how I put these together. It has some witchy vibe things in it as well. Lots of fun. All right, guys, I think that is it for me today. I'm wishing you all a safe December 11th. It's rainy. Not cold here, but blissfully warm, but really, really rainy. So stay safe wherever you are. Please support handmade, homemade, local artisans as you're doing your holiday shopping. Thanks, y'all. See you later. Bye.